How to create a Bitget wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're new to Bitget wallet and wondering how to create your first wallet, then the first thing to do is to download and install the Bitget wallet app from your Google Play Store or your App Store and launch it open. Soon after you launch it open, you'll see this interface from where you can go ahead and restore your existing wallet or create a new wallet. To sign up for a new wallet, click the Create Wallet button. Now in the pop-up, you can create a new wallet with your existing Google account, Apple account, or with email, or even create with seed phrase wallet. I'm just gonna click on the email option. Now, on the next page, enter a valid email address that you have access to in the text box and click on Get Verification Code. Now, complete this small puzzle and on the next page, you'll receive a verification code sent to you via your email. Open up your email service provider's inbox and open the email from Bitget Wallet. You'll see the verification code in it. You can copy that and get back to the Bitget app and paste in the code. Now, set up a passcode for your Bitget wallet on the next page. Now enter your passcode once again. And you can also enable biometric authentication so that only you can access your wallet. To do so right away, tap on Enable. If you don't want to do that, you can tap on Skip. Wait for a few seconds and then you'll be able to create a new wallet. Now there you have successfully created a new wallet for Bitget wallet. You can then go ahead and deposit your crypto, start trading, explore copy trading or earning features. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.